Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Zoom on your laptop. So first open your preferred web browser. I am using Brave right here, and then type Zoom download. Then click on the first link that you see. It will take you to their Zoom official website. Now if you scroll down, and there are three versions. One is download 64-bit, 32-bit, and then ARM 64. So just click on download Zoom 64-bit, and now your browser may ask you where to save it. Just click on save, and usually it goes to your downloads folder, and now you have to wait. Now click on this download button, and you can click directly here, or you can select this folder. It will take you there download folder where it's saved. Now you just have to click on the extension. So it should take a minute to install the Zoom on your laptop, and that's it. I have already installed Zoom on my laptop, so I'm not going to show you the process. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.